the first 10 feet is like base climbing.
Okay. Are you gonna do this one too?
Yeah.
At the end, right?
Yeah.
Hey, Johnny.
Yeah, hold on. We're tying in Ruth.
No, I'm just saying hi.
Oh, okay. Go ahead. Okay, so.
I'm trying to get this set up. I know you guys.
Do you really want me to get rid of it? Usually you put it here. Just like that.
Okay, you don't have to flip it.
Yeah. You don't want to because when it's fully weighted and you fall, you know, but all your weight is on it. This makes it easier to move.
Okay.
There you go. I can see you guys better. Around here.
Alright, we're good.
Is this really good? I think everything you said unflip.
Yeah. Flip the rope out of the carabiner.
Okay, unflip.
Alright. Climbers ready to climb.
Well, blaze on.
Alright. You gotta take some more.
Okay.
Okay, climbing.
Climbing. Get that jug over there. Probably left foot and then right.
Left foot and then right.
Left foot. Yep.
A big move, huh? On the right?
Feet super good. You also have this thing here. It's a bump here.
Right, that's what I thought.
Stand up. Stand up high. Nice. Yes. There you go. Kick that left foot out. Kick that left foot out. Karate kick.
Hold on. And then
Karate kick out here.
karate kick out to the left.
You see that chalk mark?
Like right here?
Yeah, right there. Okay. And then there should be a right hand right above. You gotta go high, but you gotta bump that right foot up to the right.
Okay.
I wish I had a laser pointer. But your right feet goes up, and then your left again.
Can I do? Oh.
Yes.
Can I do that?
Yeah. No, in there. Try to keep your right foot into the, like you're pushing against the inside of the leg. Yeah, there you go. Pushing inside. Yeah. Find that right hand.
Keep on going.
Yeah. And same thing, pushing on both feet, both sides of the wall, opposing.
Okay, now we're going to.
Yeah. Focus on where your feet goes. Bump it up that right foot. Way up there. Way up. Hell yeah. There you go. Hell yeah. Sweet. Alright, now you gotta slowly pivot over. Really awkward, but there's look for the feet. Focus on where your feet needs to go. You can also come out left. There's like feet out left too.
Where do I go?
This part's harder to explain.
I don't know where to go.
You gotta gain the main crack.
You gotta slowly pivot over.
Yeah. You get your left hand in the crack.
Yeah. Maybe keep your right foot low. And then slowly swing your weight over.
There's actually a right hand.
You can see right there. There's a foot too. Right here. Oh. Right. A little bit lower. There's a good feet. Don't try to go up. So come down a little bit. Take a look. Right here. Left. There is a good left foot. Little edge.
Oh man, I got tired. Right here?
A little bit to the left, 6 inches. A little higher, 2 inches. Down to the left. Left.
Hold on. I don't know.
Take
This is a little tired.
That's a little bit left. A little bit left. Yeah, that's it. That's the one you want. All right, Jerry, your turn to beta straight.
What? I didn't even get to watch Jacob.
This is pretty nice.
You can use my backpack. Roll away.
Oh no.
Back on
This is so hard.
the backpack.
Try to step on his bluff.
Oh, the left one,
Yeah,
right?
right here.
Yeah.
Right here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jam those hands in there. You gotta get a finger jam.
A finger jam?
You just put your thumb down, get as much finger as you can, and just twist your finger and pull down. Yeah. They're intuitive. It's like you're just shoving your finger into the cracks.
Okay.
For your left foot, try to get on top of that
Nub.
little
There's a nub.
yeah.
Yeah.
A little more.
This spot seems pretty safe.
Yeah.
Nice, Ruth. That's a really hard part. There you go. Now once you get settled,
Yeah.
you gotta clean that purple piece.
Or you just unclip it.
No, don't. Oh yeah, I can lower her. That's right.
My hat?
But it's better to clean it if you can.
Johnny said he would clean it.
Johnny would clean it?
Yeah, I'll clean it. Just leave the pieces there.
Oh yeah, never mind. You're good.
I have a nut tool.
Oh right. Okay. The nuts should be pretty easy to clean, Johnny, because it's like a big constriction, so they're not even like jammed in. They just
Yeah, I know about your nut placement.
Oh man.
It's alright. You can wait the rope too, Ruth. Like, if you need a moment.
Okay.
I think you are waiting the rope actually.
I was like, it's okay.
Yeah. Just have fun. Just try some moves out. You're on top rope, so you're not gonna fall.
True.
Completely remove the fear of falling from your mind. Like
your turn.
But I feel like I'm gonna swing, but I'm not.
you're not. Hardly at all.
Further up
No.
here. The wind is blocking.
You're facing the wrong way though. You're trying to lie back it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You almost now want.
Less
You need to shift so that like your left butt is close to the wall now. Like complete other way around.
Oh really?
Yeah, you need to get your right foot. Your right foot is staying in the crack the entire climb.
Dang.
Yeah, your right foot never leaves the crack. Because all the good feet are in there. You don't even have to jam your right foot. You'll see footholds.
Dang. Never know.
You can always pull that cam, that purple one.
Mhm.
Just don't grab the carabiner though.
Grab
With
it
your
by the
fingers.
neck.
Just grab the grab the dog.
The nylon.
And then pull yourself up to there, and there you go.
Yeah, grab that jug. Hell yeah, they're right there. You're good.
Is that start is really hard.
Focus on getting that feet in the jam.
Yeah, get your right foot up high.
A little higher, a little higher. Yeah. Yeah, there it is. Yes.
And then don't forget your left foot.
Stand up.
My hand. Oh my gosh. So I have to stick my right foot inside?
Yeah. Leave it in
Right
there.
foot your right foot stays in the crack the entire climb. That's the body position you need to be in the entire climb.
Yep. Yes.
Excellent. Well, that's crack climbing. Yeah.
Hard.
Just focus more on where you need to put your feet, and then you
Find good feet, then bump a hand or two. But
take a moment to look for little edges that you can put your feet on, or you can just commit them both into the crack.
Also, Ruth, with a lot of jams,
Yeah.
your hands are a little too low. Like look up a bit higher.
Okay.
You kind of want your hands more like above shoulder
Yeah,
height.
like here, take a look.
Oh, all the way up?
Yeah, high.
So you grab that piece,
Uh-huh.
lock off,
Straight arm, jam it in there,
Uh-huh.
and then
Bump your feet. Yeah.
walk up your feet.
Walk up. Pull up. Yeah. Yeah. You need You need higher hands. High hands.
Yeah, get the other hand up. Way up in there.
There you go.
Jam the whole hand in there.
Oh my gosh. I don't know.
Okay, so Ruth,
Yeah.
take a look.
Oh god.
Okay.
You're good. It's on tight.
Yeah, you see the. Oh, Jerry, come here. I need to demonstrate. Do this for me.
this.
Yeah. So you slot your hand in, and then you make a pocket. So when you do that, it cams your hand in there.
Like this?
Yeah, like this. No,
Or put my thumb.
No.
I don't know how to do it. It's like make a cup. Make a cup. Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah. The cup jams your whole hand in there.
And if you can't fit your thumb in there, Ruth, same exact thing. Just put your thumb down.
Okay.
Just put your thumb down. Your thumb gets into the crack, and you just squeeze your thumb and try to touch your thumb to your pinky finger.
Oh wow.
That's it. Yeah. Hand goes in.
Yeah.
Try to get your thumb to touch your pinky. That's it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That creates a fat.
Does it matter if you're like this?
No, it doesn't.
Can you
Whatever
see
makes.
this?
Whatever,
Can you
however
see
your
this?
thumb
So I'm
fits,
putting my hand like this, and then I put my thumb like right there,
and you just try to touch your pinky.
and then I'm trying to touch my pinky, and it's stuck.
Oh, got it. Okay. Oh, I didn't know that.
And Ruth, the fingers, we're saying fingers. You should do a few more. The fingers, same way. You just slide your finger in,
Uh-huh.
and then if you just kind of twist,
Mhm.
they're stuck. Like yeah.
Oh,
But
okay.
try to do some jams like that. Or reach up high.
Yeah, that's it. Keep repeating that.
Oh man.
But you gotta jam the hand way in there. As much as possible. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bring your feet. Focus on where you need to put your feet next.
Dang, dude, that's hard.
Maybe try thumbs down.
I mean, like, it's just.
Yeah, it's literally doing like a
Try thumbs down there, Ruth.
bullet. With the
Right, left hand high, thumbs down, and just twist your hand in there. Yeah.
I
Yeah.
don't, like, it's just. I'm not used to this.
No, it's hard.
Yeah,
This
I don't
one's a
know if
little technical.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this.
Take your time. Like,
Take your time.
Get the left foot up. That's your next goal. Like your right foot is super solid, so you need to think about where your left foot goes next. Dig deep. Let's go.
Come on. Just, and if you get up, I can pull you up too.
Yep. Focus on that left foot. Get it up high.
How do I with my right foot?
You have to bump foot is super good right now. So you need to get way up in there.
You just need, it's hard, Ruth. You gotta reach up way high and jam your thumbs down. Yeah.
Yeah.
And no, twist your, yeah.
Yeah. Use your right foot to stand up straight.
And then you need your left hand jammed. That's hard, dude.
Yeah. Hard move.
Hard move.
Oh man.
What you need, Ruth, wait, take a moment.
Yeah.
Right foot's great. Left hand high, thumbs down.
Super high. High above.
High, way higher. Yeah, you got it way higher. And then you use your right foot and your left hand, and you just stand on your foot, and then you get your right hand and you shove it in the crack. and then it's easier. I promise. After that, it's a lot easier.
You gotta jam it. Stand up. Get that feet up.
And I'll pull the rope. You just have to like one hard move there, and then you're out of the bottom crux. There you go. Come on.
Yeah. Stand up straight. Yes. All the weight on your right foot.
It feels like I'm gonna twist my right foot.
It does feel that way.
That's what it feels like.
Can I put it like this?
You could try it. You could try
try.
it. Give it a try. Whatever feels comfortable with you.
Your left hand has to get way higher though.
Damn.
Yeah. Like almost to the finger lock. I can see the finger lock.
Right here.
No, like a foot higher. You're way too low.
Get your hips as close as possible to the wall, and then just slot the next hand up
High.
super high above your head.
Yeah, now jam that.
Yeah. Jam it.
There you go.
Oh.
Yes.
Yes. Stand up straight.
There you go. Come on.
Yes. Nice.
Yeah, nice work, Ruth.
Oh.
There you go.
You're out of the crux.
There you go.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You see by your left knee there's a foothold, right? That's
Yeah.
You gotta think about.
Okay.
You gotta put that right foot up there.
No, I'm put my left foot's okay.
Yeah. There you go.
Nice.
Super good.
Nice work. Yeah.
Get it.
Oh my gosh.
And then it eases up, and then it gets harder and harder the higher you go. But
That's
you
very
can do it.
encouraging.
You can get up at least halfway on this.
Yeah.
With some
I think
change.
most average person can go halfway.
Sorry, I'm taking so long.
No,
Take your time.
it's not
Take your
rough.
time.
Dude, we've top roped the climb for like 2 hours. That's how you get better. You know how to do it. That's why you top rope.
Yeah. Now you know why you need to come to Sender 3 days a week.
Oh, careful. Remember, you don't want to lie back this crack.
Oh,
You're missing out on good
Try to
left
unclip
feet
first.
far.
Unclip that.
It's fine. You can take on the rope. Yeah.
While
Grab the cam.
Yeah, you can let go.
Uh-huh.
Grab the rope. Grab the cam.
Grab the cam. No. Don't grab. Always grab the leash. Yeah, because if you fall, you're gonna lose your fingers.
Lose my finger?
Yeah, but just pull the cam. Pull your body up to the cam. Yeah, just do some slack.
Yeah.
There you go.
Perfect.
Yep.
Yeah. There you go. You're good.
But Ruth, you're leaning the wrong way. Like it feels like you're fighting a swing because you're keeping your right hip in, like you're letting a lie back hip.
If you look on the left, there's actually a few features on the face
Yeah.
of the roof. No, further left, like 1 and 2
Way
feet out.
left.
Oh,
One or two
Yeah.
feet. Take a
That's
look.
where your left foot needs to be like most of the climb.
like right here?
Yeah, or further
You have
left.
to kind of poke around. I can't really see well from this
I can
angle.
see there's like lips. There's big ass like lips for your
way
feet.
out there, like 2 feet out to the left.
Yeah.
You should be able to stand on those 1 centimeter edges.
That's
Yeah.
fine. Yeah.
That's good too. Or on the further lower.
But even way further.
Oh, right here?
Or down low, it's fine
Yeah.
too.
No, like way
And I
out.
put my left foot right there?
Yeah, your right foot. Can you show her right foot? You need to fix her right foot though. She needs to cam her right foot into the crack.
Like that?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, and just rotate your body over.
So am I putting my left hip on the wall?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, you need to face square. If anything, yeah, more of your left hip goes into the wall. You're facing the climb the wrong way right now.
Oh.
Almost complete opposite.
Yeah, it should be like this.
You should be almost more like that. Yeah.
It should be like this.
Oh shoot.
That, yeah.
Your hips out to the left.
Or square. To
Or,
the wall.
or straight, yeah.
Yeah. Because the crack's leaning to the left, so you need to lean to the left.
I'm gonna save my
Yeah.
energy for this one.
Yeah, and if anything, lie back it that way.
Should be low. Try and get it back
That,
up.
see, now, and then you're not swinging. You're not fighting a swing. It's
Yeah.
you're in line. Yeah.
This one's called Firebird.
Bird of fire.
Fire.
Now, the best, you'll have a great lesson because you'll see all those little edges.
Yeah.
That's for your feet. Your left foot keeps hopping from edge to edge, and your right foot keeps going back into the crack. And you just repeat that like for 30
Yeah,
seconds.
get those hips closer to the wall. Yep. And reach your hand into the crack.
Okay.
Yeah. Some nice finger lock. Yep. Excellent. Yeah. Nice. There you go. Yeah. Now, left hand in the crack. Left hand in the crack right now. High.
Right now?
Darn it. Yeah, but you have good feet. Stand on them. Stand up on the feet.
Oh yeah. Way above, like 1 feet above your head. Stand up.
You gotta stand up straight.
Yeah. If you're gonna grab anything, grab the neck of the cam. If you really
Neck. Yeah, you got it. Stand. Now left hand goes into the crack high.
Yeah. Jam it in there. Jam it in there. Make a cup with your fist.
She's got it. That's a
Yeah.
great jam. Now slowly bump your foot. Yes. Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Yes. Nice job. Now you're climbing. You're crack climbing. Now you gotta bump your right foot. Just everything else stays where it is. Your right foot needs to go higher in the crack.
Way high.
Everything else stays the same. You just gotta
Where does my right foot go?
in the crack.
In the crack?
Yep.
There's like no crack.
That's
It'll fit in there. You got it. You got it. Oh, the cam might be blocking it.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Sorry. Yeah, it's probably right where your foot should be.
Oh.
Yeah. Sorry. It's kind of awkward. Yeah. Yeah. Just twist. Yeah. Twist that hand. There you go.
Nice.
That's climbing. That's climbing.
Oh my god.
That's climbing right there. Dude, you're doing it.
It's so hard.
Yeah. I got you. No worries. I got you. Yes. Yeah. At some point, when you get near the cams, remember I was standing there because it was easy to stand.
Hold on.
Yeah, you got it.
That's a good point.
Oh yeah.
Nice work. You're like one move away from a rest. You gotta do like one more move. Yeah, because there's better jams by the cams for your left, right hand. Yeah. Even higher, maybe. I don't know. Yeah. Nice work. Beautiful. And if you can, just unclip that orange one right there. Yeah. Nice.
Do you want me to show you where the other routes are? Other routes. Take a minute. Want me to show you where the other routes are?
This rock.
Oh, not here.
You're talking about the rest right here?
Yeah. You can take a little bit more, Jacob. There's like some slack. Yeah. There you go.
Thank you.
There's like 5, 7, 6.
Oh my gosh.
Nice, Ruth. It's gonna get pretty hard from here on.
Okay. It looks like it. I just don't want to look up.
Uh, yeah, it's gonna start getting quite technical on the feet.
Really?
So you have to keep your right foot in the crack,
Yeah.
and then your left foot will start. You see this little extra crack?
Yeah.
There's like either that crack itself, or there's like little edges. There's little nubs.
Yeah.
You gotta make sure you find a nub for your left foot.
Okay.
Okay, that'll make it a lot easier. You're not steep yet. It's still slab climbing, right?
Okay.
Find a nub that sticks out that you like, and just
Mhm.
like press with your left toe on there.
Okay.
Yeah.
But always my right foot.
Yeah, yeah. There's no other feet for your right.
And am I just still doing stuff with my hands in the crack?
And then you'll find, there's like a jug. There might be follow the chalk. You have to start following, and then there's finger. You gotta get your finger in there, and then your three middle fingers, and you just kind of twist in that. Yeah.
Oh.
Find a nubbin. Yeah, nub. Be set, and then bump your right foot up a little bit more once you can stand on it. Yeah, twist it. There you go. It's fine. Yep. Yeah. You're hit you a little tighter.
Just tape.
But you can always take when you need. Just rest. But yeah, you're gonna have to rotate back
I know.
to face square. But yeah, you're fine.
Oh.
If you can get to the gold one and unclip it, I think that'd be a win. I think because it's gonna get really hard after that.
Really?
Yeah, it just goes up to 10A basically.
That's tough. Yeah.
Right now it's pretty easy. It's hard. It's hard. This is a really hard climb from ground up, but
Yeah. But
yeah,
then it's just
like
gonna get way
compared to what you're gonna have to do up here, it's like
way harder.
most people fall. Yeah, like leading it.
Really?
Yeah.
So now I should start going to.
Yeah, just find some chalk. Take your time on it. You can here if you can pull yourself up a little, I'll take, and then just feel how those handholds feel, those little finger cracks. Pull in that jug, and I'm gonna see if I could.
This guy?
Yeah, just get close, like kind of go up a couple inches more with your feet. Yeah, now pull. There you go. Now you could rest. Just rest. Just lay back. Just lean back on the wall. Yeah. Fully just relax your feet.
And then.
See, because this is great practice. You're about to feel what's a little more technical. You see the white chalk?
Yeah.
There's you can see like 3 different spots of it.
Yeah.
It depends on your hand size or your fingers, and you'll find one of those or maybe a couple that you like because you can kind of get a good amount of your fingers. Like you're doing like this.
All like 3 or 4.
Like there's 3. Just do like 3, and it's gentle because it's not overhung, right? So you're just getting your 3 fingers in there, and you kind of let's just say your thumbs up.
Yeah.
You put your 3 fingers in, and you twist your thumb towards your body. Yeah, and that's it. And you're pulling down.
Down.
So you're digging your finger in, and it's kind of like hooked, and you're just lightly pulling down for balance. Yeah. You can pull on it pretty hard, but that's how it feels. And then same way thumbs down would just be opposite. But yeah, you kind of feel it. Your fingers start to get stuck in there.
Yeah. But this is too. Okay.
Yeah, higher up might be better.
Okay.
Yeah. Here, if you can do another pull up or something, I could get you.
Okay, I'm doing it.
Yeah. That way you can feel it. You can just feel the holes on top of it.
Thank you, Morphy.
Oh yeah. How's that?
That's good.
Yeah, rest up. Feel it? Yeah, that's a finger jam.
Really good.
Or higher. If you don't like that one, see if the next one's better.
Oh.
It'll start to lock. Yeah, it really. If you really twist, it really gets stuck.
Twist left or
Yeah, twist, thumb down. Twist your thumb towards your body.
can you take?
Oh yeah, yeah, sorry. I didn't realize it. You're doing it good. Yeah.
And then what do I do with this? My left, my right.
You're gonna have to put more weight onto that left hand. Your left foot actually needs to be
Out more.
out and lower. Actually, you're a little high for that jam. Yeah, and it's just I don't know. It's just really hard.
I know.
I don't know what to tell you.
You're
Like,
doing such a good job.
yeah. Now
explaining.
your right hand has to do the same thing your left hand is doing.
Can I go right here on the white cloth, or keep my feet in the crack?
No. You can always use those. No, yeah, definitely. No, your right foot wants to be on those jugs.
On
No,
the
what
top?
you said. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. That's a good fold. Right hand. Wait. Just wait a second. Because it's gonna kind of hurt. Your 3 fingers on your right hand do the same thing in the main crack.
Right here.
Yeah, somewhere
Above
in there.
the gold one.
By the gold one, yeah.
Yeah.
If you.
I see.
Yeah, it's hard. Sorry, I don't know what else to tell you.
Explain it again.
It's just like technical finger crack.
Do you think you could just take whatever you?
Oh yeah, of
get
course.
out?
Here, rest for a second. Just rest. You don't have to pull the move yet. If you just try it. Can you reach your left hand even high? Right. Yeah,
Like
like somewhere
what?
up there. Wherever it feels. Yeah, that's pretty good. You got it good. It's like one more move, and then I think you can get to the gold cam, and that's a win. Yeah. And then you can use your right foot on the jug too, of course.
Thank you for being patient.
Oh no, of course. You've only been on the climb for like 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes.
Can you take?
I gotcha.
Really? That's
Can you touch the cam?
Yeah. But I want to see if I can go a little bit
Do you
more.
keep going? Yeah. See?
We'll see.
Yeah, of course. But I think
Can
that
you
you definitely got it. So anything else is gravy.
There's like blood everywhere.
Yeah. It's when some people lead it and they're kind of gripped, they're kind of pumped, and
I
you're just
can't
shoving
even
your finger in trying to get it to jam.
That's crazy.
Yeah. That's not my blood though. I did not need to do that.
Can you take?
Oh yeah. Sorry, it's a little bit of friction.
Take.
Nice, Ruth. You're doing it. Yeah, and then you're gonna have to. I can't take any more if you. You're gonna have to like rest and clean that gold one.
Oh yeah.
If you need to, you can lie back. Like you can kind of just fall, let yourself fall, and get close to that cam. Or I can lower you a little bit. Actually, that one, Ruth, if you want to practice, you can clean that one. So what you do is, you see the lobes? Yeah, wait, first just pull the trigger, almost like you're gonna take it further into the crack, and then you just pull it out while your fingers
It's
go.
almost there.
You gotta pull the triggers first, and yeah, nice work.
Do I keep it on the?
Yeah, leave it. Or clip it to your harness, whatever you want. You're the cleaners, you can do what you want.
Okay.
Nice, you cleaned it.
Okay, I'm gonna see.
It's the same technique. You got both hands are 3-finger jams. Yeah. Yes. Nice, Ruth. Holy shit. You can pop out. You know lie back. I know you know lie back.
She rolls it.
Oh.
You got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah. Yes.
You have to spread out more. Your left.
You want to get a high right hand before you do that. But yes, you do. were you see that edge to your left for your foot? Yeah. That's your goal, but I think that's too high right now.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to get a higher right hand. It's hard. Yeah, somewhere up there there's gonna be one last good jam. It might start to widen out where you have to lie back it.
I think it's by the cam.
Yeah, you might have to go above the cam. Because remember, I'm kind of tall.
Can you take?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you probably clean that piece. You don't really need it.
Can you take?
Yeah. Yeah, try that.
Should I take it? Clean it?
Okay.
Should I clean it?
Yeah, because this is gonna be hard for you to clean because you're getting overhung.
Should I take it out?
Yeah, if you can. Same way, just gently pull the trigger, and the cam kind of almost like the cam goes further into the crack, and you're just pulling the lobes all the way, gentle, and then you slide it out. Nice and easy. If you try to yank it, the cam catches on the rock.
Okay. Let me just go a little bit higher.
Yeah. I'll take.
So clean.
Yeah, because you don't need these right
Well,
now.
I won't swing out. Will I?
No, you're not gonna swing. You're directly in line with me. Yeah. See, you're just gonna fall. You're just gonna fall down.
Can you take?
Oh, yeah.
I feel like you're like pulling me up.
I could build a Haas system, but you're doing great. You don't need it. It's in it hard though. So I'm trying to look. At some point, you need your left. Actually, left foot goes on that big ass jug to the left.
Can you take a little bit?
Yeah, as you go up.
Okay.
Sorry, there's a lot of friction here because it's pretty overhung.
Yeah.
So.
So then.
Yeah, now it's a lie back. Yeah. Now it's exactly what you were doing. You got it. It's no longer jamming.
Oh really?
You're lie back, just like how you were leaning with both hands in the crack and both feet.
Yeah.
It's that way. Like you got it.
Is my left butt?
Your left butt cheek is against the wall, and you're just, Ruth, and both hands are like this. Sorry, you're like this.
Oh.
Right, just like you were doing. You got it
My
do
right
like that.
foot. The right foot facing side.
Both feet will start to just press against the wall.
Oh, so I don't have to keep it in the back.
You don't have to jam it. You're just gonna yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Maybe right.
But it's hard, not yet. You can try to use your left
cool.
foot first,
Oh.
because you gotta unclip the purple.
Okay.
You gotta do it now, or else I'll just lower you. Cause yeah, you're not. You can't hang and then try to clean the purple. It's not that you can't.
Mini oasis in there.
I can take a little bit. You gotta clean it. If you can't clean it from here, then I gotta lower you.
Oh yeah. Clean it?
Yeah, clean it. I can't take it because yeah. And then that green one,
Yeah.
leave it and see if you can unclip it
Okay, when I get up there.
for Johnny. Yeah. Just to help redirect it a little bit. You don't really need it. Yeah. I'm not gonna really take it because you gotta unclip first.
I think you have to take.
Because it's so overhung that if she weights the cam, she can't clean it.
Ah.
So you have to climb up and clean it, or unclip it, or whatever. But
yeah, that's the move.
Or Ruth, what you can do is shove a purple cam in there and clip yourself to it,
Or, yeah.
and then clean the green one.
Walk up.
But it's
Walk.
overhung now, so
Walk
you
your
gotta.
feet up.
Yeah.
Okay, I could see how much is I have to keep both of my hands in the crack.
Yeah. There is a left foot, but yeah, just try it. Because I'm not gonna. It's really technical right here. But lie back. You gotta be strong. You gotta like, your right foot really has to push hard against it, and then you gotta hold on with both hands. Yeah, and your left butt cheek starts to go into the wall.
The moves here. You practice in the chair.
Yeah.
Some of the bullies.
Yeah,
Try to keep
but it's like one
Try to
move.
first start with your
And
left
then-
butt cheek like against the wall,
Uh-huh.
and have your arms straight.
The left foot?
Yeah, left butt cheek against the wall,
Mm-hmm.
and your both arms straight.
Into the crack?
No, yeah, keep your arms straight and your hands kind of cupped into the crack.
Yeah,
Yeah,
a pretty long lie back.
and then it's your
Shoulder.
right foot
Oh,
hard
like
with your
this?
hands.
Right foot?
This
Yeah,
bully.
right foot pushes hard against that side thing, and then your left foot will also push against it.
Yeah.
Oh,
You gotta walk up while
But
using your core.
it's hard.
yeah, it's really hard. But there is a left foot still, because that's how I placed the green cam before I did the light off.
But it's the left foot's in the crack?
Your left foot should smear out at some point, because it'll help. That's how you can
Yeah,
you can unclip the
about
green one.
time.
It's hard though, Ruth. You're after crux right now. This is 5'10".
Okay.
This is dirty.
This one's really.
Just keep messing around with it. You
You're,
get really
you're all the way
comfortable.
down to your toe tap, whatever it is. So.
And
Yeah,
you said
whatever.
it could take anywhere.
I could.
That
It
makes
won't.
it
You
really
have to
different.
clean it while they're slack.
Fuck you.
You can't hang. You know what I'm saying? You're not gonna be able
So
to
I
hang.
can unclip it. Unclip it and
Maybe
then
a
take
pair.
it slack?
And then
I mean,
slowly
no.
slide.
Yeah, you're gonna have to.
I did that
You're basically
sold
have to
my
rock
last
climb
pair.
because you're gonna have to climb and hold it,
Capsized
the
down.
position, with some slack, to be able to unclip it.
Okay, so, but.
And then I can take right when you do that.
Okay.
But you're gonna fall like 2 or 3 inches, so you don't, you'll be safe. But I'm just saying you can't. Yeah, it's.
Okay.
Or right now, if you want to do something fancy, you can take the purple cam because it fits.
Uh-huh.
You can put the purple cam into the crack, like right by the green one, basically, and just clip it to your belay loop. That might be a lot. It's something I'll show you on the ground because that's how you clean overhung. If you're like following and you can't clean something overhung,
A little bit.
you can use the pieces you've already cleaned
Mhm.
to like
To keep on going.
to keep it. Yeah, keep yourself attached to the wall.
I'll see.
It's a little bit more. Over 3.
It was literally an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours left of life left.
Shoving my headlamp up there.
But you won't fall. You have like
Don't be crazy.
it's like inches, right? You're totally safe.
Like if it was like this shit, like less than 15 minutes.
Yeah. And then lean against the side. Your hip against there.
Yeah, everything in the beginning, first half was like B3, easy below in the gym. It's about 30.
So if I can unclip,
It's the same for.
then you should give me slack.
I'll take.
I'll take. Sorry, I
Yeah.
keep on saying that.
Or if you can eventually grab the green cam, you can kind of pull yourself and try to unclip it.
Oh.
But that's hard. Again, you're gonna have to hold yourself in like a pull-up position,
Get more jackets.
like while trying to unclip with one hand. It's very
run
hard.
to the car and get you
Oh,
another jacket.
There's no way you can take.
I can take a little right now, but it's gonna get harder to clean. You know what I mean? You're running out of the.
Nice.
Yeah, I'll take it here. See if you can get a little higher to it. And-
You haven't,
all right.
you haven't been,
Are you?
climbing.
Yeah, I can.
Okay.
You haven't been
See?
climbing.
Yeah. Okay. Unclipping it. There you go. Perfect. Alright, that was easy. I was worried you were gonna weight the piece too much.
Nice.
All right, so Ruth, remember now, left shoulder and left side of your left butt cheek against the wall. Arms are pretty straight, and you're just gonna walk
Lucky it's
up.
not windy today. Other game.
Like a couple moves, and then there's a big right hand jab. I'll just keep taking, so you just do a couple of those moves.
I bought that shell just because of that.
Oh.
Powerful, yeah.
Well, I have a shell. It's just like I got
It's not good.
No, I got chubby. I don't fit it. It's like so like constricted right here, my wrist.
Yeah, dig deep. Dig deep. Come on. Like 101% effort.
Can you take?
What's it? Deadpool goes maximum effort.
And then look, your goal is a right hand jab. Up there.
Oh,
Yeah, right there. And then you can get a left hand jam. Actually, the right hand jam's really good, but grab that jab.
With the right hand?
Yeah. Once you can reach it, up higher, even higher. It's positive. One more.
It's because I have to go in there.
Okay, let's do one more lie back move. Yeah. You're not ready. Actually, you might be able to hand jam from. I think I started hand jamming.
Can you take?
Come on, dig deep. Dig deep. Let's go.
There, jug. Left, and then look, Bruce. Left hand, just karate chop right into the crack. No, I'm serious. As high as you can. Yes, and then do it again. Oh. You got
God.
it. Okay, fine. It's overhung, so now one of your foot has to just go in the crack, and it's not a great foot, so you gotta just like push on it, and like fucking karate chop. Yeah, and then that's the crutch. Right now, that's the crutch. Karate chop left hand.
Chop that shit.
Karate chop. You got it.
Chop it.
You gotta just fucking karate chop it.
Chop it.
You're like saying all my pieces.
You're like, try hard. Yes. Or keep that hand in there, Jam. Good. And then right hand karate chop it. Yeah. It's like full karate chop. It's
Do I keep
desperate.
on
It's
my
desperate. Just fucking jam it. Yes. Boom. Locked. Now pull yourself up and the next hand. Chop. Come on. Yeah.
Get it in the crack.
Come on. Get in the crack. Yes.
That's the hardest one right there.
Try thumbs up though. That's why.
Even I fell there. I'll top
You might here. Let me take a little bit, but thumbs up is better. Yeah.
Because it's also kind
Yeah.
of
So it's deep and yeah. It should just get stuck in there.
I like this one better.
It is, but then you lose it as you stand up. You're gonna Here like this.
Can I just go like this? Can I hold on to it?
Oh yeah, that's what I was saying. You should keep your right hand there, pull yourself up, get the left hand karate. Karate.
Can you see?
There you go.
Take.
Yeah, I got you. Come on, get the hand. Wait. Go back. Left hand on on the pinch there. That's fine.
Oh,
Right hand? No, wait. Oh, okay, you could do that. That's pretty powerful. Just try left hand in the jam.
Just the
You gotta karate chop that shit. Yeah. Yes, that's why this is the best part. It's the 10A hand jams that you top out on. Yes.
I should be.
Well, sorry, right hand can stay out. If that's better. Yeah. It should. Yes, that's a great
Can you
tip.
face?
Yes.
Come on. Fight.
Now your left foot needs to go in the crack.
Really?
Yeah. When you got stand up. Stand up. There you go. Even more. And then you got karate chop. Yep. One more karate chop. High. Yeah. There you go. You got it deeper. The deeper you go with the karate chop, the better it is.
Oh my god.
Yes. Now one more karate chop. Deep. Up here. Oh yeah. Okay.
Oh, she got it.
Oh yeah.
You did it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wait, stay right there. Don't even.
That's how it goes.
Sent it. Ready? You guys want 1, 2, 3.
Dude,
That's how it
thank
goes.
you so much.
Dude, you
Huh?
like it?
Yeah, no, this
Are you
is
good?
good. And you're just
Hardest nails. Dude, holy
Wow.
shit. 5'10". Oh my god. Yeah. Now you have a choice.